Hello, Professor. This is Christina, and I'm going to discuss the functionality of the program which I created for the midterm test, which is the console lottery number picker. I'm going to discuss how each and every code works as well. So let me start by running the program. Alright, so we already run the program. So as you can see, there are three options there. So the user can input either 1, 2, or 3. So when the user put in number 1, the program will generate combination of 6 numbers for each ticket. So press any key to be back to the main menu. Then when the user press 2, pretty much it's the same with the Lotto 649. The only difference is this Lotto Max generates a combination of 7 numbers for each ticket. And again, back to main menu and press 3 so we can exit the program. So let's go ahead and look at the codes. So let's go and check the codes on the main program, which is the program class. This is the driver class. First, an object of Lotto 649 and object of Lotto Max must be instantiated, and on the main method, Lotto menu method was called. So here, pretty much it is the first thing that we will see whenever we run the program. So this shows the options for the user. So it is made by switch. So whenever the user press 1, then the Lotto 649 generate Lotto number will be called. And for option 2, the Lotto Max generate Lotto numbers will be called. And for the option 3, which is to exit the program, so the program will exit once the menu active became false. As you can see, it was declared as true, so that's why the loop will continue unless it became false. Now, the Lotto game, which is the base class, the base abstract class. So we created private fields, element list, element numbers, number list, random, set size, and then we also declare properties. So whenever we declare properties, we have we must not forget to put get. So this means that whatever value the underscore element list have will be the value of element list property, and as so the others as well. We only have properties that doesn't have any set value, but there are properties that have set. So after declaring the fields and properties, then we have to create a constructor. So the constructor usually has the same name as the class. So that's going to be public Lotto game. Then here are the parameters, the element number and the set size. So we have to declare that this parameter element number should be equal to this element number, which is the property. Alright, so here on the method build, so pretty much we wanted to add items on the number list. So those items will start from number 1 up until the set size, which the value is 49. So the override string, so this is just gonna be the how the output will look like. And for peak elements, so whenever the element list is greater than 0, then the program will clear out the element list and the number list and call the build method. So here, this is the code to pick random numbers within the number list. So whenever the program pick any number, it will be stored in this index, and the index will be added on the element list, and that value will be removed on the number list. So, and then whatever the output is, we will sort it. So let's now go to Lotto 649. So the constructor, which we get the parameter to the base class. So generate Lotto numbers, we will call the peak elements from the Lotto game class, and then display the result. So we use for each to display all the elements or all the items that we have on the element list. For the Lotto Max, it's just the code is pretty much the same for the Lotto 649. So we just implement the iGenerate Lotto numbers interface. So pick elements and display all the items on the element list. So that's it. And thank you very much, Professor. Have a good day.